Put on the makeup, brushes along, long hair, and then she asked me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party, everyone turns to see this beautiful lady is walking around with me. And then she asked me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes, and I wonder all it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you. It's time to go home now, and I've got maker, so I give her the car keys. She helps me to bed, and then I tell her as I turn off the light, I say, my darling, you are wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you are wonderful.